Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class again. Today, in this class, we again going to revise the topic articles. Article is a word that is used in front of a noun and it tells us whether the noun is something very specific or something very general. There are two types of articles, definite and indefinite. Students, when there is something very specific, definite article is used. That means the. And when there is something very general, a or an is used in front of a noun. Now let's have a look at the next picture and let's understand the difference between the usage of a and an. Both are indefinite articles. However, their usage is different. Indefinite article is used always in front of a vowel sound. There are five vowels in English language. So you have to be careful about the vowel sound, and in front of the words which have the vowel sound in the beginning, you have to place an. And the word which begins with the consonant sound, you have to place a. You can have a look in the picture. It is written as a book, a table, a clock, an apple, an elephant, an umbrella. Next we have the definite article. It is used when something is very unique. For example, the sun, the moon, the internet. Also in front of the names of the rivers, monuments, and special places. We also use the definite article when you talk about the same noun the second time. For example, I bought a shirt. And now we're going to talk about the shirt the second time. So, the shirt is red. We also use definite article in front of the cardinal directions. The west, the east, the north, and the south. Now let's have a look at this picture. Here you can see it is written a university. U, as you can see here, is a vowel. But if you check the sound, it gives the sound of year. University. So you have to check the sound before placing an article. So, however, if you place an university by checking the letter, it becomes wrong. So it is a university if we check the sound. Let's have a look at the next picture. It tells you about the use of the definite article again. This is the dog. Let's look at the example. Now we're going to talk about the dog the second time. Okay, this is the dog and the dog is brown. So we used the with dog the second time. So if you talk about the noun the second time, you have to place definite article. And also when you are talking about something which is very specific or something which you already know about, you have to use definite article. Let's read the examples. I'm going to the bank. This is something very specific. There is someone knocking at the door. It must be the computer repair man. These were a few examples. And look at this picture. Look at the pirate in the second picture and look at the one in the first picture. The second picture, this tells us about a pirate in general. And look at the first picture. This is a specific pirate. Why a specific pirate? Maybe he's unique in his physical features, isn't it? Have a look at the shoe or the leg of the pilot. So this pirate is something specific. That's why in the first picture, we have used the definite article. And the second one is very general. So A pirate. This picture tells us about the usage of a, and the. You can have a look at the examples. A clearly says that it is used with the words beginning with the consonant sound. You can have a look at the examples. An is used with the words that begin with a vowel sound. The definite article, is used with the words that are very unique or specific. Now let's have a look at today's worksheet. You have to fill in the blanks with a or an. You have to check the vowel sound and you have to place a or an accordingly. Let's have a look at the first sentence. Bradley gave his teacher dash apple. A is a vowel sound. So, who is the friend of a vowel sound? A or an? I hope you got the answer. An apple. Likewise, you have to complete all other sentences with the correct vowel. In the second question, you have to fill in the blanks with a, an, or the and put a cross in case no article is required. Be very careful, children. Read the sentences twice and complete the worksheet. That was all for today. Goodbye.